Hi everyone, Elizabeth Barbalich, CEO and founder of Antipodes, sitting in Wellington, New Zealand. Super thrilled to introduce to you, as part of our Lift the Lid series, one of my staple products and first products that I ever brought to the market, our Reincarnation Pure Facial Polish and Exfoliator. Now this product is great if you have skin that needs a boost, or you may have skin that's aging, so cells are less likely to slough off and turn over. So you need that kind of refreshed, rejuvenated look to your skin. Skin that's oily and damaged, and also dry and dehydrated skin. So in fact, anyone can use this product. What's great about this exfoliator is it's a gentle cream texture from 100% natural ingredients and certified vegan. Now the key ingredients in this formulation are our nutrient-rich avocado oil, which is high in essential fat, so gentle and nourishing for the skin. It's partnered with jojoba bees, which gently slough off, so very, very light exfoliating effects. Also features Marigold or calendula oil, which is soothing, high in omegas 3, 6 and 9. So if you're one of those people who love a facial scrub or exfoliator but can't find one that doesn't strip and damage your skin, then this product is perfect for you. I'm a little bit naughty in that I love to use this product between 4 and 6 times a week. I just love the effect of my skin. It keeps my skin fresh and ready to apply other products such as Ananda Gentle Toner or a water-based serum such as Hosanna H2O Skin Plumping Serum. So thanks for listening today. I hope you've enjoyed the short series and look forward to seeing you next time.